In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. Please use Eevee with 768 by 768 resolution without composite nodes, and also set the background strength to 0.5. I created a plane, typed S to scale, and typed R, X, and 90 to rotate it 90 degrees on the X axis. Then I went to Texture Paint to create and paint a segmentation map like this. Please render the image and import it to Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Please remember to set the preprocessor to none, and select the correct depth model. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.